Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2021, on a 21 plate Mazda 2 SE-L Navigation. This is the 1.5 petrol with a 6-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in Arctic white, and it's covered just 40,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around of this very good looking, nicely specified Mazda 2. We do lots of Mazda 2s, very recently sold one which was almost identical. We've got another one just here. So certainly one of our favourite 5-door hatchbacks, ever so reliable in the petrol form. Loads of nice specification and very often well looked after. This is a March 2021 registered car. It's covered just 40,000 miles. We've got these lovely grey 15-inch alloy wheels with Bridgestone tyres on the back and Kumho tyres on the front, so good set of rubber. 2 owners from new. Current owners had the car since 2022. It's got a full Mazda Main Dealer service history as well. Serviced right the way through its life. 4 services all recorded at Mazda annually from new, so bang up to speed on its maintenance. Condition wise, absolutely lovely throughout. In really good shape. All the alloy wheels are in good nick. Bodywork's lovely. 5-door practicality, 90 brake horsepower with a 6-speed manual gearbox. So fuel consumption's over 50 according to Mazda. £190 a year to tax. And then as we have a look inside, we've got this contrasting charcoal and brown interior with the white stitch. I think it looks really cool actually. Lovely looking interiors on these Mazdas, very straightforward. Remote locking does come supplied with 2 remote keys, 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable and power folding door mirrors. It's got its original Mazda 2 carpet mats, start-stop facility, which of course you can switch off, up onto the steering wheel, which is again in really good shape. You've got controls for your cruise control, you've got your Bluetooth and your radio controls, automatic lights and wipers, and there's your mileage, 40,873 as it sits with us. A couple of cup holders, bit of storage at the back, manual handbrake. Down below you've got this little iDrive system which controls the main screen, which I'll come to in a second. 6-speed manual gearbox. There's your 2 keys. Underneath there you've got a couple of USBs, you've got 12-volt socket, you've also got a CD player. Up above we've got your air conditioning. All the handbooks are in the glove box. You've got this nice sort of carbon effect to the dashboard, which I think looks really classy, and then up to your very simple infotainment system. So you've got DAB digital radio, you've got Bluetooth for your telephone, you've got satellite navigation as well. Really straightforward to use, but nicely appointed nonetheless. 5-door practicality, loads of space actually in the back, plenty of legroom. Again, you've got your original carpet mats, electric windows in the rear, 3 headrests with 3 proper seat belts, ISOFIX for the child seats. Just really well thought out little cars, good looking. Parking sensors across the rear bumper, and then into the boot space, split folding rear seats, parcel shelf at the top, and then a really good size loading area, nice and clean and tidy as well. And this one has had the added bonus of a spare tyre put in and all your other bits and bobs. So there we have it. March 2021 Mazda 2 SE-L Navigation, 40,000 miles, 2 owners with a full Mazda Main Dealer service history. Really good fuel consumption, nice low insurance group, good spec with the cruise control, the sat nav, the parking sensors, DAB radio as well. Finance is available from just over £200 a month. That's based on 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory free MOT along with 2 keys and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, which is sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, please do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Really good value little car, always popular with us. I think this one won't be here long. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.